Have you noticed how dark green has quietly become one of the most elegant interior design colours across Europe? From stylish Parisian apartments to Scandinavian homes and modern Italian interiors, designers are embracing deep green tones to create spaces that feel sophisticated, calming, and connected to nature. But how can you incorporate such a rich colour without making your home feel dark or overwhelming? And how do designers use textures, lighting, plants, and decor styling to bring out the beauty of this stunning colour trend? Stay with us, because today we're exploring dark green interior ideas for 2026 and how this rich colour can transform your home into a stylish European-inspired sanctuary. Why is dark green becoming a major interior trend in Europe? Dark green reflects one of the biggest movements in modern interior design, bringing nature indoors. As people look for homes that feel calming and restorative, deep green tones offer a connection to forests, gardens, and natural landscapes. Designers love this colour because it adds depth, elegance, and timeless character without feeling overly trendy. What emotions does dark green create in a home? Dark green evokes a sense of balance, calmness, and quiet luxury. Unlike brighter greens, deeper shades create a grounded atmosphere that feels comforting and relaxing. This makes dark green perfect for spaces where people want to unwind, such as living rooms and bedrooms. If you love discovering interior design trends like this video, and share it with someone planning a home makeover. Where does dark green work best in a home? Dark green is surprisingly versatile. It works beautifully in living rooms, bedrooms, dining rooms, kitchens, and even bathrooms. When paired with lighter tones, natural textures, and good lighting, this rich colour can enhance both large open rooms and smaller cosy spaces. How can dark green walls transform a room? A dark green accent wall instantly adds depth and drama to a space. When combined with wooden furniture, neutral textiles, and warm lighting, the colour creates an elegant focal point that feels both bold and sophisticated. Dark green walls also highlight artwork, mirrors, and decorative pieces beautifully. Tell us in the comments, would you try dark green walls in your home? What furniture colours pair well with dark green? To balance the richness of dark green, designers often pair it with light wood, cream, beige, warm brown, and soft neutral tones. These combinations keep the space feeling bright and natural while allowing the green to stand out as a statement colour. How can textiles soften dark green interiors? Textiles play an important role in balancing darker colours. Velvet cushions, linen curtains, wool throws, and textured rugs add softness and warmth. These fabrics introduce contrast and prevent the space from feeling heavy. Layered textures also help create a cosy, welcoming environment. For more interior design inspiration, check out our full playlist in the description. How do plants enhance dark green interiors? Plants naturally complement green interiors and help reinforce the connection to nature. Leafy indoor plants like monstera, fiddle leaf figs, snake plants or olive trees add vibrancy and texture while making the room feel fresh and alive. What lighting works best with dark green walls? Lighting is essential when working with darker tones. Warm lighting, golden lampshades, and soft ambient light highlight the richness of dark green while maintaining a cozy atmosphere. Layering different light sources, floor lamps, wall lights, and table lamps helps create depth and balance. Subscribe for more European interior design ideas and trends. How can kitchens incorporate dark green? Dark green cabinets have become a signature feature of modern European kitchens. When paired with marble countertops, brass handles, or wooden shelves, they create a sophisticated and luxurious kitchen design that feels both modern and timeless. What decor pieces complement dark green spaces? Elegant decor items help enhance the richness of dark green interiors. Ceramic vases, brass candle holders, wooden trays, glass ornaments, and minimalist sculptures introduce subtle contrast while maintaining visual harmony. Love these design ideas? Find similar decor pieces linked in the description below. How can dark green be used in bedrooms? Dark green works beautifully in bedrooms because it creates a calming and restful atmosphere. Painted walls, upholstered headboards, velvet bedding, or textured cushions in deep green tones can turn the bedroom into a cozy retreat. What role do rugs and carpets play in balancing dark green interiors? Rugs and carpets help soften darker colour palettes. Neutral rugs in cream, beige or soft patterns brighten the floor area and add texture, preventing the room from feeling visually heavy. Explore more interior inspiration in our recommended videos listed in the description. How can small decor accents highlight this colour trend? Even small decorative pieces can reinforce the dark green theme. Green candles, botanical artwork, ceramic bowls and glass vases add subtle hints of colour while keeping the overall design balanced. How does dark green work in modern European interiors? European homes often pair dark green with minimalist furniture, natural materials, and soft lighting. This combination creates interiors that feel sophisticated yet comfortable, blending modern design with timeless elegance. If you enjoy design trends and styling ideas, make sure to subscribe for weekly inspiration. How can you introduce dark green without repainting an entire room? If you're unsure about committing to a dark green wall, start small. Add green cushions, throws, vases, table decor, or even a dark green armchair. These elements allow you to experiment with the colour while gradually transforming the room's atmosphere. Dark green has become one of the most sophisticated interior design trends across Europe for 2026. Its deep connection to nature, combined with its calming and elegant presence, makes it ideal for creating stylish and cozy homes. By pairing dark green with natural materials, soft lighting, and thoughtful decor styling, you can transform any space into a timeless and inviting sanctuary. If you enjoyed these dark green interior ideas, like this video and share it with friends who love home design trends. Tell us in the comments if you would use dark green in your home. Subscribe and turn on notifications for weekly interior design ideas.